So this is our next chapter, chapter 9, that is problem solving and design. Here we will cover the topics computer system, subsystem, top-down design, structure diagram, flowchart, pseudocode, algorithms and library routines. Computer system. It is a collection of entities such as hardware, software and liveware. Liveware means a computer user. It can be any. For example, alarm, weather forecast. Each computer system can be divided into set of subsystems and can be further more subsystems until each subsystem performs a single action or a single task. For that purpose, we need some tools and techniques. So that tools and techniques are top-down design and structure diagram. Structure diagram. This shows the design of a computer system in a hierarchical way with giving more detailed breakdown of the system into a subsystem. So there is a system of an alarm app. It is divided into subsystems. Starting from the top, that is alarm app, and it is ending at the set time, or on the right side we can see reset or clear alarm. Alarm app is further divided into three subsystems, that is set alarm, check time and sound alarm. Set time is further divided into two subsystems, that is set time, turn alarm on or off. Then sound alarm is divided into three subsystems, that is play sound for 2 minutes, check off, snooze, reset or clear alarm. Stepwise refinement. The process of breaking down into smaller subsystems is called stepwise refinement. These are the smaller subsystems. The breaking of larger system into smaller subsystem is called stepwise refinement. So here we can see more detail of sound alarm when we divide and break it into furthermore subsystems. Flowcharts. Flowcharts show diagrammatically the steps required for a task and the order that they are required to be performed. Or we can say it is a type of diagram that represents a workflow of the task. Next is an example of the flow chart of an alarm system. Starting from the top, it is start, get time. Then this diamond notation shows the condition, that means condition. If the condition is true, then the alarm will be set. If the condition is no, then it will wait for the 30 seconds and will again goes to the get time. When we will give the time for the alarm to be set, if the alarm will be yes, set time will be yes, then it will sound the alarm and all of the process will end. Algorithm. A process or set of rules to be followed in problem solving operations. This topic will be discussed in more detail in the second lesson of this chapter. Pseudocode. It is a simple method of showing an algorithm using English-like words and mathematical operators. The example of pseudocode is here, simply written in English language using the mathematical operation, that plus in the last view you can see t is equal to t plus 1. Library routines. These are usually designed to handle commonly occurring problems or tasks. They are the pretest routines in a certain compiler. When we want to take that library routine, we do not have to perform or write the whole of the code again and again. Simply write that function or the method name. The library routines are the predefined over there, so we can get easily the functionality of that library routines.